So let's start in our Anjali mudra. Take a nice deep exhale there. And we inhale for gratitude. As we exhale, we move the index finger and the thumb into Yoni, and the fingers start to point down. We breathe out, we take it down to our womb space. We inhale here to nourish into the womb space. And we exhale, move the fingers into your lotus. Fingers are facing downwards, drawing the heels together. And then flip the wrists, lift the arms up into the heart space, into your lotus. So spreading the fingers there. That's it. So index finger and thumb come together, heels of the hands. And this is up into the heart space as we inhale into that love. And as we exhale into the lotus mudra, this is a beautiful flower that blooms from the depths of the mud into a beautiful, beautiful flower. And we invite that energy in here. And then we inhale, palms come back together for gratitude. So let's do that a few times more, getting into the rhythm of the breath, rhythm of the mudras. So inhale into prayer, gratitude. Exhale, move into Yoni mudra for connection, and it slides down to the womb space. We inhale to nourish the womb. We exhale, we move the fingers into a downward facing lotus for blooming. We inhale, we flip the wrists, bring the lotus mudra up to the heart for love. We exhale here into this lotus mudra, into energy. And we inhale back into Anjali mudra for gratitude. Repeating, exhale, Yoni slides down for connection to the womb. Inhale into the womb to nourish. Exhale, move into your lotus mudra to bloom the flower. Flip the wrists and fingers up into the heart space for love. Exhale into the lotus mudra for all of the energy. Inhale, palms come together once more for gratitude. Exhale, fingers move to Yoni mudra, slide down into connection. Inhale into the womb space to nourish. Exhale, move the fingers to the lotus mudra to bloom, to face down towards the earth. Inhale, flip up towards the heart space for love as you breathe in. Exhale, release the energy to the earth in that lotus mudra, and then inhale, palms come together for gratitude. Exhale, Yoni mudra slides down, womb connection. Inhale here to nourish. Exhale, move to lotus mudra. Inhale, bring it back up to the heart for your love. Exhale, bring all that energy into the heart and the womb. Inhale, return to prayer, to gratitude. Exhale, last time, Yoni mudra slides down for womb connection. Inhale here to nourish. Exhale, move into the lotus mudra, heels of the hands, thumb and index finger connect. Inhale, come back up into the heart space. Exhale here. And inhale, palms come together for gratitude. Release the hands, take a moment just to feel that movement, heart, womb, breath, connection.